Next type of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun refers to a person, place, or thing without saying exactly who, where, or what it is. Basically, the word indefinite means not exact or not specific. Look at the example. Someone is knocking at the door. Who is knocking? We don't know exactly. It could be Ali, Sarah, Ahmed, or someone else. We are saying someone is knocking at the door. So, here, someone is indefinite pronoun because we don't know exactly who is knocking at the door. Here, the indefinite pronoun is someone. Examples of indefinite pronouns: someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, everyone, everybody, everything, no one, nobody, nothing, each, either, neither, few, many, several, all, some, none. All of these words are the examples of indefinite pronouns. When do we use them? Some usually used for an unknown person or thing. Someone and somebody are used for an unknown person, while something is used for an unknown thing. Look here, someone is calling you. We don't know who is calling. Somebody took my pen. We don't know exactly who took it. Something is wrong. We don't know exactly what is wrong. So here, someone, somebody, something. They are indefinite pronouns. Next we have any. It is used for an unspecified person or thing. Common examples are anyone, anybody, anything. All of these are indefinite pronouns. Look at the examples. Does anyone know the answer? We don't know which person knows it. Next we have I don't know anybody here. Now the person is not specific. You can choose anything. It does not matter which thing you choose. So here anyone, anybody and anything are indefinite pronoun as they are not giving us a specific answer. Next we have every. It refers to all members of a group. Common examples are everyone, everybody, everything. They are indefinite pronoun and they refers to all members of a group. Look at the examples. Everyone is happy. Here it means all the people in the group are happy. So, next, everybody enjoyed the party. It means all the people enjoyed it. Everything is ready. It means all the necessary things are ready. So, here, everyone, everybody, and everything are indefinite pronoun because they are referring to all the member of a group. Next we have no. No means not even one. Common examples. Here we have no one, nobody, nothing. They are indefinite pronoun and they refers to not even one. So they are indefinite pronouns. Look at the examples. No one knows the answer. Here, it means not a single person knows the answer. Nobody came to the party. It means not a single person came. Next, we have nothing is impossible. Here, nothing refers to no thing. So, here, no one, nobody, and nothing are indefinite pronouns. Pronouns for quantity. Indefinite pronoun can also tell us about an unspecified number or amount. Some common examples are many, few, several, all, some, none, both. Here we have some examples. Many were absent today. We don't know exactly how many people were absent. Many is referring to a quantity. Next we have few understood the question. Here it means a small number of people understood it. So here few is an indefinite pronoun and it is also referring the quantity. That's all about indefinite pronoun.